Hey guys, welcome to Cute Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Black from Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the mouth. Let's draw a curve across here. Then from the sides, let's curve it out, and then down, underneath in the center. And the same thing on the right. Next, inside, let's add the teeth. From the top in the center, let's draw a large V shape down. And then two more smaller ones on either side. And now let's draw the bottom row underneath with 4 teeth. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. Next, let's hop up above the mouth and let's draw another curve in the center. And then from the left side, let's curve it out and down, following that same shape. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the eyes on top. We'll start with a circle above on the left side. And the same thing on the right. Next, inside, let's add the pupils by drawing thin black diamonds. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Starting from the bottom left of the mouth, let's draw a circle up and around to the other side. Next, let's draw the ears. Let's start on the left side of the head, around eye level, and let's draw a line out. And then from the end, let's curve it down and back in. Now let's do the same thing for the right ear. And lastly, for the head, let's draw the horns on top. Let's start on the top and let's draw angles up and out. And then a shorter line on the inside. Then from the ends, let's angle it up and then a long pointed V shape to finish it off. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body now. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 curves down. And then connect them at the bottom with a curve up. And then underneath, let's add a U-shaped curve like this. Next, on the bottom, let's draw 2 angled lines down on both sides for the legs. And now let's hop back up and finish the side of the body by drawing a curve along the left side and the same on the right. Next, let's hop down and finish drawing the legs. From the top line, let's curve it out and then straight down. And the same on the right. And then from the inside, let's draw an angled line down like this. And then close off the bottom of both legs with the curve across. Next, let's add the feet at the bottom. From the inside, let's draw a curve for the first toe. And then the next toe with another curve. And then one more toe at the end like this. And that's it for the legs. Let's move up and draw the arms next. Let's start on the top left of the body and let's draw a curve out and then angle it down. And then the inside of the arm underneath. And now let's do the same on the right. Next, let's add the forearm by drawing 2 curves down like this. And that's it for the arms. Let's draw the hands next. Let's start with a circle at the bottom of both arms. Next, let's add the fingers. Let's start inside and let's draw a curve here like this. Then from the top, let's draw a curve in overlapping the hand. And the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, a small angle down. And then one more curve to close it off. Now let's move down and draw the next finger. On the bottom, let's draw a curve inside the hand on both sides. And then 2 curves down and in, coming to a point. And the same for the right hand. Now underneath and behind, let's draw 2 more fingers on both sides. And lastly, let's erase those overlapping lines of the hand inside the fingers. And that's it for black. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!